Let's grill carne asada in air fryer. Grill carne asada in your air fryer. This is the Mexican delicious dish. For the carne asada, for the air fryer, right? Take skirt steak. This is approximately about 3.5 pounds. First thing we will do, we will take it out, rinse the meat, and then how to marinate this delicious dish. The skirt steak. Look at this. Beautiful. Right. It's opening up. Here we go. This is what we need. So let's rinse this. Once you rinse the meat, we have a whole long list of skirt steak, right? So look at here, we all have smaller air fryers, so we have to grill this meat in here. So we have to cut the meat, and we will have these kind of flaps out of it. Very easy thing to do. And we'll add it in our marination bowl. So that's how it's going to be. This is 3 pounds of the meat. If you have an industrial level air fryer, which is huge, you don't need to cut it. Once you cut all the meat, put it in your marination bowl. We will get rid of the gloves. We will sanitize this board, the knife, and we will marinate this delicious carne asada now. All right, 3 pounds of the meat. We will add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper. We will take brown sugar, at least 3 tablespoons. Soy sauce, 4 to 5 tablespoons. Use garlic powder in here as well. So add at least 1 tablespoon. Red chilies, but add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder in here as well. We will take olive oil. You can use canola oil for the air fryers. So we will add at least 3 tablespoons for the 3 pounds of skirt steak. We will take handful of fresh cilantro and just the leaf part. Chop it into small pieces. We have to add this in our marinade. Okay, and it goes all here. And you will put this in the fridge at least for 1 hour. Just make sure you rub all the ingredients on top here. So it's gonna be like this. Skirt steak carne asada for your air fryer marinade. It's marinated. You can taste test the marinade right now. Oh yeah, it's good. It's perfect. It's been an hour. Our skirt steak marinade was in the fridge. Wow, man, it looks so good. Let's turn on our air fryer. We'll put it on the grill. Just check the temperature. I'm putting it for 500. Time, right? Just 6 minutes. We'll turn it on. It's on the preheat. Let it preheat, and then I'll show you. We will land these beauties right here. For me, for now, 2 pieces are enough. So we'll close the lid, we'll wait 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, we'll flip the sides. The initial 3 minutes at 500 degrees. Looking yum. Look at the cuts we made, right? These are so beautiful looking pieces. I have 2 spring onions. I'll add it right here in the middle. And another 3 minutes to go. It's been 6 minutes. Our delicious carne asada in air fryer is ready. Look at this yum. Let me show you the inside temperature of the meat. If it's 135, your meat is tender, it's cooked. It's actually 150 or more. So we are good with the temperature. We'll grab these beauties, land it right here. It's juicy. Look at all the juices. Woo-hoo-hoo. I'm so happy, excited. Oh, wow. Look at this. Have tacos with it. Wow, man. This is the green onion right here. Easy, perfect, full of flavor. Onions are roasted in there as well. Let me give you the cuts, okay? You'll be happy about it. Look at this. Tender, juicy. Delicious skirt steak at your service. So you know, in 6 minutes we can cook carne asada in air fryer just with the right amount of ingredients, the temperature, and your meat will be yummy. Okay, perfect. Let's grill carne asada in air fryer. Moment of truth. I like this slice. It looks good, tender. Man, some people like char on the meat, but the thing is, if you want char in your air fryer, cook it for 10 minutes, 5 minutes each side. Make me, enjoy me. It's yum. Make this easy, simple recipe. My name is Mair. Join the channel, subscribe the channel, and if you like this video, if you like this recipe, make it. You will be happy. I have the carne asada for the whole week. I can cook these kind of 2 flaps every night or every lunchtime whenever I have time. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care of yourself. Let me enjoy this. It's seriously good. Yum, yum, yum.